Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you things you should know before buying this car. Important need to know points are: safety is excellent, but that doesn't guarantee low running costs. Parts and labor are premium priced. Engines and transmission are sensitive to maintenance. Extended intervals, cheap oils or clogged radiators can kill them. Some engines, specifically 4 or 5 cylinder ranges, have known oil consumption and overheating issues. Suspension, brakes and electronics tend to need more attention as mileage climbs. Full service history, preferably Volvo specialist dealer, is huge plus and should be influence your price limit. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.